Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this amazing typography poster design in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, place Embedded, select your image, and place. Then, go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Do some manual selection if it needs. Go to the Layer menu, New, then Layer via Copy or press Ctrl+J. Open the Layer panel, and hide or delete the main image. Add new gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Create blank layer. Go to the brush tool, and apply like this. Go to the type tool, and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using the Nagasaki font. And apply the white color to it. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust its size, and place it in the center. Press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, then right-click on it and choose Flip Vertical. Right-click again, and choose Perspective. And drag it from the corner. Then add a layer mask to it. Select the Gradient tool and apply it from the bottom. Unhide the subject layer, and bring it at the top. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust its size. Then create a copy of it. Select the lower layer, and add a black overlay to it. Press Ctrl+T, then right-click on it, and choose Distort. And set it like this. Decrease its opacity to 50%. Add a layer mask to it, select the brush tool, decrease its opacity and apply. Apply the Gaussian blur to it. Follow my other text settings. I have this plastic paper wrap texture. Adjust its size. Change its blend mode to overlay, and decrease its opacity to around 30%. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.